Okay, Kunoina is kind enough to help me with learning some Thai today. Today we're going to focus on counting, how to count in Thai from 1 to 10. จะสอนนับ1ถึง10นะครับ Okay, so I will say the English and Kunoina will say it in Thai and I will repeat after her. Okay, the first one, which is normally 1, but we should start with 0. So 0 is
0
sǔun. Okay, then we can start with 1. 1,
1
nùeng, 2,
2
sǎawng, 3,
3
sǎam, 4,
4
4, 5,
5
5, 6,
6
6, 7,
7
7, 8,
8
8, 9,
9
9, 10,
10
10. Okay, so I let Kunoina count for us one more time. 1 to 10, please.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 สุดท้าย 10
Okay, very good. Now, I'm going to try to do the same. I will count in English and translate it into Thai. So if I pronounce it incorrectly, please correct me. All right. So the first one, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10.
ถูกต้องค่ะ
Okay, great. All right, that is 1 to 10. Now I can count in Thai. Great. All right, thank you, Kunoina, for helping me today.